Welcome to Missionary World.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
You are most welcome to Missionary World YouTube channel.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Sir, will you be able to explain each and every functioning of this particular machine to our spectators?
Yes, I'm gonna introduce this machine, okay? Yeah, this is the filter press. Have you ever heard filter press?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the solid liquid separation machine. It separates slowly into clear filtrate and the cake inside the machine. Yeah, this is our machine. We are originally from Japan. Yeah, Osaka. But now we have a subsidiary company in India, Ahmedabad. And not only Ahmedabad, but also Malaysia as well. And then we are manufacturing this machine more than 95 years. We are proud of this machine at the sort of durability compared to any other company. This is really good. And then the applicable slurry is very wide to separate solid and liquid. For example, river water. So for example, dirty river water, we can remove the dirty sludge, and then this one creates clear water or iron working or any other sewage treatment or food application as well. Everything is possible with this machine. Okay, let me explain how this filtration machine works. So first of all, the slurry will be fed into the chamber using this port. Okay, and then let me show you the chambers here. Okay. Okay, and then as you checked before, these are slurry inlet ports, and then using this filter cloth, sludge will be accumulated on the filter cloth. At the same time, clear water will be discharged using four ports. From here, clean water will be discharged, while our contamination is catched by the filter cloth. And then after accumulating our contamination, the contamination will be the cake. This will be discharged by its gravity.
Sir, we have seen a lot of things, the features of the machine, the functions of the machine, okay, like that we have seen many wonderful things. Okay, this is a very useful machine, especially a state like Kerala, because flood is a common thing in Kerala. Okay, recently we had 9 months of rains in this Kerala. Okay, so this one is a very useful machine for treating this contaminated water to pure water,
Yeah.
potable water. for drinking purposes. Okay, so people after seeing this video, they may be pleased to just get in touch with you.
Yeah.
Okay, they will be happy to contact you for purchasing this machine or purchasing technology or for just providing such water treatment systems in Kerala. You understood?
Okay. All right.
In such situation, how these people can, how our viewers can get in touch with you? Now you can tell your contact number or address, anything.
Okay, I'll tell you. I will share my business card to you later. Okay.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
Yeah. You too.
Have a wonderful stay. Have a great business here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.